Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to fix the try again later in your Instagram. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is drag down your bar menu, and on your top left corner you're gonna see the airplane mode. To tap in on it may help to fix your issue. So if it doesn't, you can also check stronger network connections. Go to Wi-Fi, tap and change into your stronger network connection. If it also doesn't help, you can go to settings, open settings, and scroll down to the option general, tap in, and then find the storage option. So again tap in, then scroll down to find your app Instagram. So open Instagram, and then you can just offload and then again reinstall your app. So doing this will free up your storage, but it will keep your documents and data. So this will help you fix your try again later error. I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like and comment down if you have any questions. So see you in the next video. Bye.